Welcome to the channel. Yes, we actually did buy the Whistlin diesel Duramax. I know some people didn't think we did because it wasn't here yet, but we are going to pick it up today. We're going to pick it up, and hopefully it's in pristine condition. There's no chance of that, but hopefully it is. We actually already picked it up. All right, but don't worry about that. For the sake of this video, we did not pick it up yet, and we're just getting on the road to do it. Driving there through the night from Pennsylvania to Indiana, it's like 10 hours. Not going to film any of it, so we're just going to flash forward to pulling into the farm and the whole thing there. Got a little sunrise in Indiana thing going on over here. Window's super dirty. We brought the 6.0 gasser because we weren't 100% sure the black truck, the old dually, was going to make it. But we're pulling in here in about, I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that.
Okay, so what do you think?
I walked over, I was like, so that's what I bought. All right, cool.
Was it supposed to be nicer than this, or?
No, I pretty much do.
Yeah, well, we siphoned the diesel out and we parted it all out while you were.
I know, I heard that. I was like, man, that light bar was making the deal.
We pulled the trans and motor, so well, I didn't start it, so we'll see how it starts. It's a little aggressive when it gets colder.
Oh, sweet, the light bar is still on there. I didn't even, the light bar is still on there, man. I was worried about that. I was like, I just can't make it work without that.
No, we only start every few days, so it is rough when it does start.
Okay. Do you know what's up with that?
No, it's just cold.
Okay,
like,
just
like
just being out cold.
But it's not as smooth as if you run it every day, you know what I mean? A low battery. Yeah, she's gonna need a little juice.
Got all the business under here while we're working on getting some battery power. Oh yeah.
It did a really rowdy burnout the last time we had it out like a month ago.
Yeah, I saw when it dumped so much, got it up to like 6th gear or whatever.
Yeah.
That's pretty nasty. So what size like lift is on it? I don't actually know. I actually don't know that much about it. 6-inch? Okay.
So yeah, if you look in here, we just got the CV axle capped off right now.
Okay.
There's a nut holding it all together, but
okay.
So CV axle's out right now. If you put a CV axle in there and you literally put it in 4-wheel drive, which the button works and everything.
Okay.
Put it in 4-wheel drive, it'll dislodge it if you go up a hill. If you're going downhill, it's probably fine.
Okay.
So what you need to do is either put a longer spacer for the CV axle, they give you like a 2-inch spacer.
Yep.
Or take off that crappy lift and put a better lift on.
Is it just like a rough country or what is?
See the diff like torquing when you put it in.
Oh, okay. So it's the lift flexing for the diff.
Like,
okay.
It's on a crappy. If you look in there, you can see it, but it's got a crappy little. See that little C channel thing around the diff?
Yep.
That thing is moving while it's.
Okay, I couldn't tell what it was. Like I couldn't tell if like the shaft coming out of the diff was what was flexing or.
The diff off, or the lift off would be probably better.
Probably better. Okay. All right.
Yeah, it might start now.
Used a little bit of liquid encouragement here.
She's dead.
So we got the Duramax on the charger there. Even with the starting fluid, there's still no battery power. So we're gonna check out this guy. Those wheels are just nuts. The Duramax is almost as clean, but just like has a small dent in the one fender right there. Other than that, they're exactly the same. It's alright. I love this, man. The pleated stuff. Drive, I sit up in it? Yeah. Is that cool?
We go for a ride if you want.
I would love to. I can't say no to that. Woo.
Yeah, it'll break 40s loose on dry pavement.
I'm sure.
On these, you don't feel it much.
Rides so impressively well for as crazy lifted as it is. Let's go see if this truck will start.
Mass airflow sensor, if it gets unplugged, it'll really do bad because it needs that to sense how much boost is going in.
Okay.
How much air. So that unplugged, and I was like, man, it's running really bad. Just plug that back in and be fine.
Okay.
That's usually the cause of if it running bad.
There she goes. That's fine.
Yeah, it'll run all day. Let's get it.
Get her going.
Dude, it was like 15. Well, I don't know what it is right now.
39, I think it said.
Once it's up to 50, it'll start without 12 bucks. This piping kit right here alone is like $2,000 a week.
Dude, no, your price was very fair. At least I felt like. I was like,
Yeah, it's got brand new control arms on it.
guess that's it. Time to load her up and take a 10-hour drive home. So I'm gonna have Whistlin Diesel himself autograph the hood of this truck because we are going to auction this hood off or sell it in some way for charity. We'll have more details about that later. I might even sign it myself, but you can wipe my signature off later. Sweet, thanks man, appreciate it. It was kind of funny when it rolled over, I was like, oh, I think that hood's okay, like I love that hood. And I saw you up on top, like jump down onto it, I was like, ah. Okay.
Yeah, no parts spared. Yeah, there's one little dent from it rolling over here, but you could probably push that back out, but it wouldn't be the same.
All right, man. We're all loaded up.
Right.
Thanks for letting me come out, man. Yeah. Thank you for the ride in the new Ford, and we'll do something with this thing, man. We'll do something for sure.
It's too bad to see it go. I'm gonna keep that one nice.
Sometimes things just don't work out,
right.
man.
They just don't work
out. Dude, it really was. It was one of the most beautiful trucks.
Yeah.
Like, I love the color. I love
a bit of rust. There's no rust anywhere on it.
That's tough to find. All right, we are back on the road heading to PA, and I'll check in with you guys at our first stop because I imagine those straps are going to be loose, off, or something probably. So we're making just a little slowdown right here because I saw something on the way in that I just had to get on camera, and it's the police, the sheriff, VW Bug with Santa Claus in it. I didn't see that on the way in. If we could fit that on the trailer, I would be taking that home with us as well. All right, first chance here to check these straps. Let's see how we're doing. That guy is nice and taut, so I can maybe use one more click. She's good. Back one. Heck, that's pretty good too. Yeah. She's solid on here, man. Should make it to what, 600 miles? I'm not even gonna check them again. Flash forward a few hours here. We are about an hour and a half from home. Should be the last fill up of the day. It is gonna be completely dark when I get there. Hopefully I can get some footage of it coming off the trailer. Terrible video quality, but after 10 hours of driving in the last 24 hours, we are home.
Lights look good.
Installed. All right, we got it off the trailer. It's completely dead. We don't have a jump box or anything to jump it here tonight. So we'll just look over it tomorrow. See you then. Next day here, we took the batteries out, we charged them up. Hopefully it's going to start now, so I'm gonna hop in here and try to fire this bad boy up. People do the NASCAR window thing from the ground down there. In this we do it from the roof. You just kind of, you step in right there, and then you get in a wet seat. It's always important too. And then you don't want to reach right here though, because that will cut you up. Then we cross our fingers. We gotta warm it up and do a burnout. Hey, that window works. Show that window working. How about this one? Oh yeah. It sounds good, man. Okay. She got power? Huh? She got power? Yeah, she got some power. But I have all these Whistling Diesel followers now, so I guess I gotta start destroying stuff. Destroy this truck. Let's just roll it over. Let's take it off the wall over there. That wall over there. Yeah, right here. Let's set up some ramps and jump it straight off the wall. Yeah. I'm not even gonna wear my seatbelt. How many cars can we clear? What do you think? She runs pretty hot, I gotta say. Well, she drove down to the garage at least. So, oh, it's high from up here. I'm going up the back. The frame on this thing is just ridiculously clean. Like, I don't know that I've ever seen an older truck like this. The frame is clean as it is. I mean, who knows if... It shouldn't be bent. I don't think it's gonna be bent. Didn't roll over that hard, but it is impressively clean. So now that it's in the garage, I just figured I'd mention a few things that I didn't talk about in the last video because I forgot. $3,000. Paid $3,000 for it. Didn't mention that. Meant to. I think we're all right. I think we're all right at $3,000. Huge thanks to Send It Steve because he actually helped me out getting in contact over to Whistlin Diesel to make this deal happen. I've known him for a little while. Good guy. Go follow his channel right now. And another huge thanks to Whistlin Diesel for taking us on a ride in the new SEMA freaking Super Duty that was just amazing and just showing us around a little bit. Super nice guy. Thank you so much. He's given a couple shout outs and has helped my channel immensely. So huge thanks to him. Well, at the very least, we got her in the shop and she's ready to go for the next project, which I think we got to cut the roof off. Well, I want to straighten it up. I just want to see what happens if we like hook a strap up to that roof up top there and run away with it like, I don't know, 40 miles an hour with the other truck. And see if that'll straighten it up. And then I think we got to chop it and make a convertible out of it, at least while we got it here. So look for that to come up here. I have no idea what we're doing with the project yet. I don't know if we're OBS swapping or rebuilding this yet. Both options are like 100% on the table at this point. Keep following on Instagram for updates. It's home. It's here. We're going to have some fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great night.